Hey guys, and welcome to the Hackinon's YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to get ourselves acquainted with the Enum library or the Enum class present in Python. So let's get started. Basically, why Enum? So basically, Enum is an enumeration based class that can basically use classes to store data having unique or constant values. And as the name goes enum, which means you can enumerate over it, there are certain methods that can be used to automatically enumerate data to your values. So first things first, we need to import it using the from enum, import enum, unique and auto. So we do not need to worry about these. I'll explain you these ahead. Now what I do is I create a class, and I'm basically creating a class of animals and assigning certain value to it. So like dog, cat, etc. Maybe you're playing a game or creating a Python game where you want to assign some value to your animals or based on that, or any other type of data that you're trying to use where contains unique values, you can use that. So here I'm explaining a simple example, and now I'm inheriting the enums class into this Python class. Okay, so here you can see I've got the dog having a value 1 and cat having a value 2. So that's pretty simple. Now let me first things first print animals, and if I print this, as you can see, it shows it's the enum animals method now. And again I can also do dog dot name, so it will just return the name of the variable. As simple as that. It's dog. There's nothing great going on over here. Now we will see how to return these values, that is 1 and 2. So for that, again we need to do say animals dot dog dot value. Basically we're using the value method, and as you can see I get the value 1. And likewise, if, as I said, these values are constant and unique, so if I try to overwrite certain data on it, let's say dog is equal to 3, and I will run through an error. So basically, to handle this error, we have another decorator called as unique, so we can paste that on top of a function, that is the unique decorator. And now I obviously need to remove this 3, and now is where I'm going to show you the auto increment feature. So let's say I have two animals, dog and cat, and I want to bring in another animal, for example zebra, and I do not want to increment it on my own. I'll simply just use the auto increment function, and this will do the handling of the data that needs to be given to the variable zebra. And let me run this. So let me change the value from dog to zebra, and let's guess what happens. What is the output? So as you can see, if you thought it's 3, that's right. You get the output 3 since dog is 1, cat is 2. Python's enum function thinks and returns the value as 3 for the zebra variable. Again, if you want to know all the members present inside this animals class enum, all you need to use is the dunder method and say members. And as you can see, you get an ordered dictionary that gives all the data related to the members. So the enums method is really handy while working with data that is constant and enumeratable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the Hackinon's YouTube channel for more fun and interesting videos.